Crystal J. Medici. Today, I'm going to teach you to make a French braid hairstyle. This is my model. Let us proceed. First, get the some hair to the left side. Then, divide it into two. Get some hair again to the upper side of the hair that you get and then cross it again. Get some hair again to the upper side, cross to the set of the hair that you get. Get some hair again to the upper side, cross the two set of the hair that you get. Get the some hair again to the upper side, then cross to the set of the hair that you get. And lastly, get the some hair to the upper side, then cross to the two set of the hair that you get. This is my finished presentation. Thank you. I hope you learn my presentation.